Hello. First point po. Safety reminders lang po sa mga players natin. Takit tayo. Tapos yung mga accessories. Ilaw, Pigtas, Insane, Corona. Lahat na tayo ng accessories. Makitanggal lang po. Palis na kayo. Ayan. Takit po tayo. Takit. Pero pag takit. Sige. Okay po. Ano na lang? Crop top. Tapos puso. Crop top. Okay po, first one. Last game. Pilipinas. Sidra. Let's go. Baliktad sir, baliktad. Ayan. Ayan. Ready. Ipo. Kanino. Ang pula. White. Tiragan. Tanggang developer. Ito na. Bante. Ten seconds to shoot. Floater, wala, rebound, light. Bautista. Swings it, entry pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Tolitz. Tirang di mo inakanan. Infante breaks away, passes middle, makes the shot, uses the glass. 2 points. Three-pointer is good. Shooter daw yun. Shooter daw yun. Animas with the fader. No. Rebound. Dapat naka-shooter. Bautista. Passes. Tutok. Is good. Animas. Balik Pande. Takes the pass. Swings it. Entry. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Rebound right. Pasa. Bautista. And there is what is a red foul number 13. That is it's a hat. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 13, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. First free throw is good. Second attempt, makes them both. Entry. 10 seconds to shoot. Baseline jumper, wala. Walang mata ng talon. Gives it over. Tries a 3. That's good for 3. And there is a foul. It's going to be a foul on number 10. That is a clear foul. Number 10. That's going to be your first personal, second team foul. Bautista, 10 hits. Keeps it. And there is a foul. number 33, that is a push. 2 free throws. Number 33, that's your first personal, third team foul. First free throw is good. Makes the ball. Gets denied. Magkakakampi, same ball. And there is a foul. Foul number 17, that is a hit to the hands, going to be 2 free throws. Number 17, that's your first personal, first team foul. First shot is short. Parehong short, bola. Nawala, balik sa Sidra. Jumper, wala. Floater, wala pa rin. Itong magsigawan. Rebound po, kami po gamitin namin, hindi dito. What's the foul red? That's a holding foul on number 33. That is a holding foul. Number 33, that's your second personal. Warning for penalty. Black ball. Ready na po ang next 5. Next 5, get ready. And there is a foul. Technical foul. Number 27, that is a technical foul.
English ba?
Alam po, technical free throws po muna tayo. Number 27, that is a disconcerting foul. Substitution. It's going to be a foul of 40. Let's say hit to that. It's going to be 2 free throws. First down is good. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound. White ball. Swings it. Couldn't control the pass. Out of bounds. Black ball. Reverse. Too strong. Macario. Follow up is good. Layup is good. Floater. Malakas. 23 with the rebound. There's a foul. Foul on number 8. That is a reaching foul. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 8, that's your first personal penalty. Foul on number 8, that's a technical foul. Free throw po muna for the technical. Two free throws po tayo para sa White. First one. Go. Technical foul on number 12. Okay po, last free throw para sa White. Nagkakaubusan na tayo dito. So, naman, kanina ba ako nila? Eating, sikaw, ano ba ba suot mo? Uy, last free throw po, last free throw. Floater. Wala. Basket, 2 points. Just behind, outlet. 2 points. (15-10), 5.8 para sa mga kapote. Eight seconds to shoot. That is a 3-second violation. Two minutes remaining. Macario. Good pass. Tapos na lang. Pumunta ko. Use the body. Meron naman tayo pa. Foul number 40, that is a hit to the hat, 2 free throws. Number 40, that's your second personal. First free throw is good. That's good both. Three-pointer, no. White ball. Oh, pasa pala yun. Defense. One minute. Three-pointer. Short. Just a throw. Out of bounds. Black ball. 5-point game. Bro. Three-pointer. Malahas. Comandante. That is a traveling violation. 30 seconds remaining. 4 seconds difference in the shot clock for the game clock. They have 2 minutes. 15 seconds. Foul for 6. That is a blocking foul. 2 free throws.
Tama? Tama is yun? Ah, okay.
Number 14, that's your first personal, first team foul. Swings in. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Black ball. basket count. Foul on number 12, that is a push. Bonus free throw. Number 12, that's going to be your second personal, first team foul. Makes the three-point play. Big set up. And there is the foul. Foul on number 13, that is into the hands, going to be 2 free throws. Number 13, that's your second personal, second team foul. First free throw is good. Ball will stay white ball. White ball, 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. And there is a foul. Foul on number 12. Number 12, that's going to be your third personal, second team foul. Control the pass, out of bounds, black ball. Easy play, 2 points. Steps back. There is a foul. It's going to be a foul number 88. That is a push. Number 88. That's your first personal, third team foul. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 3-pointer. Out of bounds. White ball. Three-pointer. Air ball. Outlet. Out of bounds. White ball. Three-pointer. Wala. Pasa. Good play, good pass, good point. That is a kickball also. seconds to shoot. 5. Ball is good. Ito yung siya, tingin ako. Ito ko yung magulang. 2 points. Ready na po next 5. Three-pointer. Wala. Next 5 po, next 5. Number 27, iwan ka number 27. Apat pasok. 27, iwan. Okay po. Sige, bola po. Now. Black ball po, black ball. Ready? Three-pointer. Wala. Meron tayong foul. That's gonna be foul. Oh, number 6. That is a push. Number 6. That's gonna be your first personal warning for penalty. Three-pointer. Wala. 3-on-1. Tuton is good. Floor is good. Three-pointer, short, rebound, 1. Tries another 3, wala pa rin. That is a traveling violation. Jumper, pasa pa kayo. Then seconds to shoot. Two points. Okay po, bola po, white ball. Three on one. Kanino kay Macario. For two. Jumper. Manila pa rin. Ten seconds to shoot. Makaliw, tumutuloy na 2 points. Dapat tulog yan. Dumali na walang tulog sa walang gising. Ang dami. Cordova. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Sino rin ka doon? Doon na naman sila. Ayaw talagang ibigay. Wala pa rin. White to the lead ako. Dito dyan, Indro Mike ka. Pasa pa kayo. Reverse. Malayo. Pero Santos, susunod sa press. Wala. Nakado siya Motilia. Pumeke pa. Isa pa daw. Wala pa rin. Motilia ulit. Parang trupo lang. Wala pa rin. 17 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 3. Wala pa rin. And that is your first time.
Kaya pa yan. Hindi na ko na lang. Galing naman.
Gravity.
Okay po, start na tayo sa second half. Bola po ng white. White ball. White ball. White ball po, white ball. Friday 3, wala. Floater is good. Skip pass. Salvador. Tries a 3, wala. Benitez passes. Bautista. Basket count. Foul number 88. That is a hit to the hand. It's going to be bonus free throw. Number 88, that's going to be your second personal, first team foul. Ball stays 1 ball. Floater is good. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound White. Gives it over. Number 13. That is good. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball now White. That's the basket. 2-point. Empty pass. Uses the power of 2 points. Okay po. Back to the podium. Pressure defense na, gamit sa mga nakaputi. And there is a foul. Foul on number 20, that is a holding. Ball stays. Number 20, that's your first personal, first team foul. Ball stays. Black ball. Keeps it. Wala pa rin. Patikan. Susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Susubok ulit. 2 points. Roger 3. Wala. Ball is good. Picks it up. Fakes. Pasa. 10 seconds to shoot. And that is a 3-second violation. Record. Six minutes remaining. Long 3. Malayo. Black ball. Foul on number 20, that is a push. 2 free throws. Number 20, that's your second personal, second team foul. First free throw is good. White ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Gets really up. Two-pointer. Open three, huminga pa. Ibang 3-on-2. Takes the shot, wala pa rin. Next five, next five. Perfect. Number 25, Iwan. Miguel, Bautista. Iwan ka, Bautista. Iwan ka. Pasok yung apat, hindi pa naglalaro. Cordoba, pasok. Kaya naman, baka tayo mga hindi Cristiano, nagkataya ang patay. It's going to be a foul to number 6. That is a holding. Number 6, that's your second personal, second team foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Paglaro tayo sa 41. Ikot, 2 points. Takes you 2. One. Takes you 3. Jump ball, ball stays black ball. Black ball.
Baseline. Black ball.
Two-pointer, one. There is a foul. Foul on number 6, that is a push. Number 6, that's going to be your third personal, second team foul. Jumper. Rebound. On the way. Scramble sa rebound. Intercepted. Floater. That's good.
Hey!
2 minutes. Masyadong mataas. White, black ball. Ball stays. Garcia. Ball will stay. White ball. Tries a 3. Wala. Wala pa rin. Hindi niya nabol. Under a minute remaining. Pinato na. Medyo walang take this year. Jumper. Wala pa rin. 17 seconds remaining. Wala pa rin. 12 seconds. Two. Hey, back to the ball game. Last quarter na po, ma'am sir. White ball po, white ball. May jump tayo, may jump. Depensa po ang team. Okay, ready? Floater. Fourth back is good. Medyo minadali pero sakto lang. For good. Ako yung nagulat pero siya hindi. Interceptor. Ito na. Ito na. Meron tayong foul. Foul number 5. That is a hit to the head. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 5. That's going to be your first personal, first team foul. First one. Okay, kung wala, ibang bilis. 10 seconds to shoot. Hit, timeout is over. Back to William. White ball. Inbound ball, white, inbound. Inbound, white. Jumper, wala. Kinira na. Pasok. Sino technical? Number 5, that's your second personal foul, second minute. Bola po ng team. Black ball.
Sabi ko iwan niya sa parking.
Substitution, sir. Jumper. Out of bounds. White ball. Gets denied. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. First shot is good. Takes a 3. Wala. Substitution. Same ball po tayo, white ball, last touch black. Three-pointer, short, kanila pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Basket. Back to the ball game na po tayo, white ball. Inbound ball, white, inbound, white.
Balas tayo.
10 seconds to shoot. Kanya pala yun. Wala. Rebound. Pumitaw sa press. Walay. Kanya pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Macario. 2 points. Cordoba. 2 points. Ten seconds to shoot. 5. Backup violation. Substitution. Substitution. Three-pointer. Basket is good for 3. Six-point game. 4 minutes remaining. Reverse malalim. Layup is good. Three-pointer, wala, rebound. Last touch, one. Substitution. Sakpo. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. 3-second violation. There is a foul. Foul on number 25. That is a foul. Number 25, that's your first personal, 13 foul. Libre. 2 points. Medyo nagalangan si Sir. Rebound. Kaando na, Infante. One na pass. 2 points. Two minutes remaining. Three-pointer is good. Substitution. Okay, ready.
Ito.
10 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer is good. Okay, back to the ball game. 1 minute remaining. Black ball. White ball.
Ready.
There is a foul. Foul number 27. Number 27, that's going to be a second personal 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. There is a foul. Number 20, that's going to be your third personal penalty situation. Penalty na po. Penalty na. Penalty.
Okay, foul, Josh.
First free throw. Wala. 6-point game, 6-point game. Gets the knock. Ball stays. There's a foul for 25. And 25 is our second personal. Free throws for number 2. Kaya bola ng white. Tapos wala pa rin. Wala pa nga sila. Isa pa lang ang foul nila. Foul on number 6. That's your 4th personal. First team foul.
Eh, gusto!
25 seconds remaining. And there is a foul. Foul on number 23. That is a holding free throws to time. First free throw. 10 seconds. And that is the one-game winner. Sit down.
Ulam niya.